Hi, I'm Claudia, co-founder of Promptus, and I'm here to help you explore how AI can support your creativity, your work, and maybe even your next big idea.
Hi, do you want to start using AI tools to build video workflows with zero coding? This is your full beginner's guide to ComfyUI. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to install ComfyUI, how to use it the easy way, and how to build your first AI workflow in minutes. ComfyUI is a visual builder for AI workflows. You build your project by connecting blocks called nodes, and each node does a specific job, like loading a model, describing your image, or saving the result. It's powerful, but it used to be complicated to install. Not anymore. Promptus is now the easiest and only way to use ComfyUI without touching code. To use ComfyUI the right way in 2025, download the Promptus app at promptus.ai. Click Download App at the top right, then install it like any regular program. Once it's installed, open the app, go to your Profile tab, and launch the Promptus Manager. From there, just click Setup ComfyUI. That one click installs everything. ComfyUI, the models, the interface, no Python, no command line, no file
Thank you for
hunting.
watching. Please share your comments and questions below, and for more explanations on the best AI tools, including Promptus, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.